Today we're going to be installing a set of our LED xenon white license plate lights. These are a great product, but a lot of people don't realize that they actually are universal fitment and will work on the courtesy lamps, that is the footwell lamps, and license plate lights of most cars. We're working today on a brand new Audi A5 Cabriolet, on which I've already taken the liberty of removing one side. And I have that side right here removed, and it's a relatively simple install process. You just remove the bulb, and you take your jlevysw.com LED license plate lights, which are a great product for us, and open it up. Now, it may not fit. You'll notice it is a generic fitment product, so it's a little bit longer. That's easily remedied. You can take these prongs and just very gently give them a little bend. It won't affect the housing or anything like that. It'll still fit in very nicely. Just like that. Simple. And then that'll go in there really well. There we go. Magic. So the bulb is installed, fits very well in the housing, turns and pops out, or goes right back in like that and stays put. Pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and install this, and we'll resume the video once it's installed. One quick side note on these: they are directional. So you do actually sometimes install them and they don't work. They're not a dud, that just means you have to switch them. So don't be alarmed, I just had to switch this one. It's common, there's a positive and a negative. There's no way to know until you install it, so there you go. Alright, so now we have it installed. You can see one side is LED, the other side is not yet. So this is the effect we're going for. You can see there's a really pure, crisp, white color. It's significantly brighter than the original. Really gives you a nice effect, and I mean, this is the middle of the day, so you can imagine at night it really is a pronounced, dramatic effect. Now we've got the engine running, you can see, and even the Audi can't think of something to complain about. Turn the lights on. All set. No problems whatsoever. So the lights are on, but no errors. Simple as that.